This retro classic salad is fresh and delicious. You're gonna love it all summer long. And the ramen noodles, those are your croutons. Let's get started. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making my favorite salad ever, ramen noodle salad. It sounds a little weird, but it is so easy to make, and I actually put a more modern spin on it with a few ingredients that are not in the classic ramen noodle salad. So to make our ramen noodle salad, we're gonna first start by making the dressing. So we're going to start the dressing by adding the juice from the canned fruit, which was mandarin oranges and pineapple. We're gonna add this to a bowl. And then we're going to whisk in some rice wine vinegar, some olive oil, ginger. You can use ground ginger or fresh minced ginger, granulated garlic, or you can use fresh minced garlic, soy sauce, and honey. And we're just gonna whisk all of that to combine. So this is definitely a sweeter salad dressing because you're using the juice of the fruit, but it goes so well. All right, now that our salad dressing is ready, we're gonna set that aside and we're going to make the salad. To make the salad, we're going to add some chopped cabbage. This was one head of green cabbage. I like to use napa cabbage because it's a little lighter, but they didn't have it in the store, so green cabbage will work just as well. Just flip it around so you get all the pieces nice and loose. And then we're gonna add some shredded red cabbage, diced pineapple. You can use fresh or canned. Either way, make sure you reserve that juice so that you have it for your dressing. Mandarin oranges, we use the canned mandarin oranges in juice. So they're packed in pear juice. Don't get them in the syrup or you won't have juice for your salad dressing. Some matchstick cut carrots. If you can't find the matchstick cut carrots, you can use shredded carrots. Just grate it up on your box grater. That works well. And then I like to use edamame. It adds a nice protein punch. This is just frozen edamame that you thaw. Mine's still frozen. You can hear it sounds like pebbles, but it'll thaw in the salad. Some chopped green onion, macadamia nuts. So I was going with a Hawaiian flavor here, so I liked the macadamia nuts. The crunch of the macadamia nuts is amazing. I have salted roasted macadamia nuts. They're a little spendy, so if you want to do sliced almonds, that will work well in this salad as well. And then I have some black sesame seeds. And then the all-important ramen noodles. So I like to use just the packaged ramen noodles. You're not gonna use the seasoning packet. So this one says chicken. You don't wanna use that. You just want the noodles. And I've already crushed them up in a bag. You can do this with a mallet or a rolling pin. Just put your 2 packages of ramen noodles in and then crush them up. And that is your crouton. And the bowl is too small. I tried, people. And now we're just gonna top this with the dressing and toss it all together. So it's going to look like a lot of dressing, but you want the dressing to kind of absorb into the noodles, and it's gonna wilt the cabbage a little bit so you have like a slaw consistency. This is the biggest bowl I have, so in my defense, I couldn't use a bigger bowl. The salad is only as good as how much you end up with on the counter. So if half the salad ends up on your counter, you know it's an excellent salad. And that is your ramen noodle salad. It has all of that goodness of the fruit, and then you have some savory elements from your edamame. So now I'm just gonna take a quick bite to make sure it tastes great. I know it will. I'm gonna get some of that crunch from the ramen noodles and a little bit of the edamame and some fruit, like the perfect bite. That is so good. It's fresh and light, and you can taste like the flavor of the ginger and the edamame and the crunch of the ramen. It is just perfectly balanced. It's a great salad for the summer months or any potluck. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again. Okay, I will eat it off the counter. My counter's clean.